So students, let us tackle one question related to the balanced and the unbalanced force. So here it is, an object experiences a net zero external unbalanced force. Mark my word, net zero external unbalanced force. Okay, that is unbalanced force. Fine. So net zero is automatically a thing, because if it is unbalanced force, then it would be net zero only. If it is balanced one, then the net force will be the zero. Okay, so net zero is unbalanced force. Okay, is it possible for the object to be traveling with the non-zero velocity? Non-zero velocity means that something is keeping its pace with the constant velocity magnitude but not changing the direction. Okay, so it is non-zero. That means something value is there in the form of velocity. If yes, state the condition that must be placed on the magnitude and the direction of the velocity. If no, provide a reason. Okay, so this is the example, this is the question that is shown in front of you. Now let us see the answer of this part. So here the net zero external unbalanced force means the object has the balanced force, not net zero external unbalanced force. If you are actually applying a force on any object, okay, though the force is any unbalanced manner, in any unbalanced manner, like someone is applying force from here, someone is applying, but because the value is net zero giving you an idea that thing is in the balanced form. Okay, so that is clear. So here in the balanced force, we know that the stationary object remains stationary and the moving object keeps on moving with the constant speed. Okay, so the question was that if the velocity could be non-zero here. Okay, if think that the velocity could be constant here, because in balanced force, because this is balanced force, we are having two conditions. If it is stationary, it would be in the stationary form, and if it is moving already, then it should be moving with the constant speed magnitude or velocity magnitude. That gives us an idea that the direction is also not going to be changed. Okay, so therefore we can say that yes, it is possible for the object to travel with a non-zero velocity. Non-zero means that some possible value of velocity is working on this object, though some external forces are applying on it, that actually getting zero, and that makes it balanced. Okay, so this is how this question works. So here the magnitude doesn't change. Okay, so we can say that the direction also is not going to be changed because it is moving with the constant thing. Fine. So here you got to know that in case of balanced thing, we are actually applying some external unbalanced force, but they are giving themselves to the zero net force. And now because of this, if the body is stationary, it will remain in stationary motion. And if it is in moving with a constant pace, then it is going to be in constant velocity, but not changing the direction.